I would like you all to narrate a story. In fact, it's not a story, it's my real life example. It's my reality of fear. Hello, my name is Sonu Singh, your image consultant, soft skill trainer, behavioral coach, etiquette coach, and a conference partner. And today, the topic of the day is fear. Do you feel it? I have felt it from this close. In the year 1996, when I was somewhere around, I think, 11 or 12 years old, we went to a family picnic to a place called Digha in West Bengal. Many of you might know it, many of you might not know it, but it's a beach area. As a kid, when we were located in Calcutta, Digha was our Goa. That was the first beach trip that I had gone to with my family and with my small little kid brother who was around, I think, if I was 12, he's 4 years younger to me, so he was 8 years old, and my parents, my mom and dad. So on the beach of Digha, this lush, it was like beautiful scenario. The sun was there, the horizon was there. The waves were coming to us. We were enjoying the beach like anything. And in today's time, talking about this transports me to that my age of 12-year-old enjoying in a beach. What happened there? Such a beautiful setup, but I dread the beach. You know why? There was a high tide and we were playing in water. Me, my mom, my father, my brother also, but he was on the little edge of the beach. He didn't come in, and my father was there to take care of him. So me and my mom, we went inside. And I was super excited as a child to go inside the beach and hit the waves and just बस नहाने का मन था वहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं. Suddenly, a huge wave tide came. And somehow, I don't know what happened in that fraction of a second, that I was just deep inside the water. I was just deep inside the water, and my mom was on top of me. So we were like this, and I felt like at that moment I would die. I would suffocate with water inside me and my lungs. And at this age also, I remember that vision. I remember that picture so clear in my mind that I dreaded sea. I dreaded water. I feared water so much that I never stepped inside a swimming pool also. So जब तक स्विमिंग पूल पे मेरे पैर ऐसे टच करते हैं, द बेस हियर, सो जब तक वो बेस टच होता है, तब तक आई एम फाइन. As soon as my leg starts becoming like this, and it suddenly just loses the touch of the ground, I start panicking to the hell that I say I'll get drowned. And people laugh and say that how can you get drowned in a swimming pool? We can get drowned in a swimming pool. One, if you don't know how to swim. And second, if you have this fear. Fear inside you that you will die. Of course, I know public speaking overtakes the fear of death. But for me, public speaking is easier. It's much more natural. But going into the swimming pool and having that first dip of water, like I avoid it to the core. Fast forwarding my life till today, I had never learned swimming till today, till last year, I must say. 2019 was the year when I actually took over my fear and I went into that pool and I learned my first stroke. And what an amazing feeling. It was a 12-day course of swimming, but then in the first day I was like, no, I can't do it. And my coach, he told, just think you are only at the place where your toes are only on the tiptoes. You are not going flat, you are not going up. You just think that you are on your tiptoes and try it. The word try it overcomes everything. You have to give a try to overcome your fear. And as it's very rightly said, fear is nothing but false evidence appearing real. But then fear for me was that water and was not false at all. It was my reality till the year 2018 that I first entered water, and 2019 that I first actually learned to swim.